Come here, buddy. Mama's got a fishy. Look. Look, it's coming.
I can't.
Look, it's coming. Woohoo! It's a big fishy. Mommy got one. See the horse? We'll hook up a worm, Atiana, and I'll cast it way out there and we'll see. I gotta fix Mom's pole. Just be careful because the mud is slippery and kind of thick right here. Kind of go sideways so you don't hit this tree above your head. That's perfect. Get tension on it and just sit there and feel. That's it, that's it. No more. Just kind of pull up and feel. You'll feel the nibbles on your line.
Ooh, what is going on over there?
Birds taking baths.
Dad, can you help me cast? Or you should help me. And there wasn't a cloud in the sky.
There it is. Steph, got one. Yeah. Check them out.
Oh, that's a pretty fish. Oh, pretty fish. I want to hold it.
They're very spiky fish.
Oh, yeah, it's kind of like the other one. Is it like a puffer fish?
No, these are
No,
white.
It's kind of like
These are
bluegill.
white bass. They're white striped bass.
Oh. Open. Wait, they're poking.
There you go. That's how you hold it. Come on, come on.
Move, Jelly.
Come here, buddy. Mama's got a fishy. Look. Look, it's coming.
I can't.
Look, it's coming. Woohoo! It's a big fishy.
Mama, try it.
What do you think, buddy?
Mama, try it.
Hold on. Oh, he's big.
Oh, yeah.
And he even got a worm.
I know.
Oh, God. Mommy, hold it. Yeah, you know fish can't feel the hook when they get it hooked into them.
You want me to help you?
Hold on. No, I want to try to do it.
Okay.
They don't even feel anything right now.
I know. Thank you for telling me that because I freak out.
I know.
I can't do it.
Okay, let me see it. Let him go.
I always
Let 'em
feel
go.
like bad for fish once they get hooked because it's like it goes through their skin.
Oh, he's cute.
Oh,
Look at his
but
little
when you look
tail.
through that, it looks gross.
Don't look at the baby.
Careful, the guy. Owie, spiky. Touch it.
Oh,
You
I
can
like
touch
to
it.
hold
Just
it
be
like
careful.
that.
Can I hold it?
You gotta
Those are spikes.
put your thumb in his mouth like that.
I don't want to put it in his mouth.
Well, that's how you would
That's
hold
how
it,
you
though,
hold it, yeah.
so you don't get spiked up.
Okay, yeah, maybe I can hold it.
You wanna hold
I
it?
don't want to put his
Give me a hand.
finger in his mouth.
Give me a hand.
He's gonna freak Josh.
Bark. All right, let's get him back in.
Daddy, hold it.
Good job, Mama.
Right, fishy.
He's got spikies, baby.
Anna's gonna be bummed.
Good job.
He just went.
Okay.
There's a stick stuck on mine. Baby.
Is he supposed?
What?
He has a worm on his.
I got a fish.
Okay.
I got a stick.
Where's the thing for this, Tiana?
Oh, I got another one.
I don't know, Tom.
Yes. Mommy got one.
Hey. Mama, goofy.
He's even bigger. Thank you, baby. It's barely...
Oh my gosh, Drama. Be careful, baby. They're
I
spiky.
don't want to hurt it. I probably hurt his ears.
Do you want to hold it?
Yeah, he's like,
Hey, Tom, touch it.
Go put him in gently, Tatiana. He just went through trauma because I dropped him.
well, you just toss it, babe. It's fine. There you go. Good job.
Nice.
Don't tell me a snake.
Go away.
Tell it.
A snake. Go.
Yeah, you're gonna get bit by a snake. Come here.
Don't say it like.
I am gonna say a snake will bite you. He said, don't say a snake will bite you.
Leave me alone. You know, say no snake, no mutton. Baby towing you off.
No.
Now he goes, what the heck? Look at him.
Don't let that snake get you. Come here.
How come this line looks funky? It's green here and then clear.
It's called a leader.
Pink. What was that?
So the bottom is braid, and then you have a leader line. So the leader
Is
stretches.
that a turtle?
That's my bobber, fool.
Oh, I was like, how'd you get over there? I thought you were over there. Oh, I think I got.
Is it going down? Yeah, look, see it's sinking? Sinks
oh,
down.
wait.
You got one?
Come on, come get it.
Go, help mama. Hurry, help mama.
Turn it. You gotta turn it. Put the phone down. Turn it.
Get it, buddy.
Hurry.
Look. All right.
I'm just gonna touch it. I'm not gonna hold it because I know you want to. Whoa!
Oh, it feels
in his mouth.
No.
Go hold it. Okay, good. That one doesn't look that spiky.
Yeah, as long as you hold the spikes down, you'll be fine.
Oh, I have to hold it.
Whoa. You sound like a Piccolo Pete.
I'm scared. I just saw this fall. How do I
Okay,
hold
thank
Here,
you.
give me your hand.
Watch out, babe.
it? I'll hold it
Watch
in
out,
that.
please.
Hold, you gotta grip him.
I want to hold it in that.
Take a picture of her or video.
Oh. Yeah, we'll get a picture too.
This is gross.
Did you say it's gross?
Yeah. It's like silver eyes. Can I try? I want to throw them in.
Yeah, let her.
Yeah, let her throw
have
it.
a chance. Okay.
Well, I'll hold it.
Just
and
make
then
sure you
I'll
make
give
it
back
past
to you.
the.
All right, toss it in. Well, I would say that was a pretty good day. Steph finally caught bass that she's been wanting to catch. They're little white bass, but she had fun doing it. And now it's time to go get some food.